If the AM and HM for two numbers are 5 and 3.2 respectively, then the GM will be. तो यहाँ पे AM की वैल्यू दी हुई है 5, then HM is 3.2 and we have to obtain GM, that is the geometric mean. Now we know that for two positive numbers, the relation between these three is GM square is equal to AM into HM. अब AM है 5, so 5 into HM is 3.2. 5 into 3.2, so that is 16. So GM square is 16. Therefore, GM, that is geometric mean, will be root of 16, which is equal to 4. So the correct answer is option C.